50 Tagalog phrases using the conjunction kapag, which means if in English. Kapag. Malalanta ang mga halaman kapag hindi mo diniligan. The plants will wither if you don't water them. Hindi ka magigising kapag hindi ka nag-alarm. You'll oversleep if you don't set an alarm. Hindi siya gagaling kapag hindi siya uminom ng gamot. She won't feel better if she doesn't take her medicine. Masisira ang bubong kapag hindi nila inayos ang tulo. The roof will be damaged if they don't fix the leak. Mapuputulan ka ng kuryente kapag hindi ka nagbayad. Your electricity will be cut off if you don't pay the bill. Lagot ka kapag hindi ka naka-attend ng meeting. You'll be in trouble if you miss the meeting. Mabubulok ang ngipin mo kapag hindi ka nagsipilyo. You'll get cavities if you don't brush your teeth. Mauubusan ng baterya ang telepono mo kapag hindi mo i-charge. Your phone will run out of battery if you don't charge it. Hindi aandar ang kotse kapag hindi niya inayos. The car won't start if he doesn't fix it. Mahuhuli tayo kapag hindi pa tayo umalis ngayon. We'll be late if we don't leave now. Mauubusan ka ng pera kapag hindi ka nagtipid. You'll run out of money if you don't cut back on spending. Magrereklamo ang mga kapitbahay natin kapag hindi natin pinatay ang tugtog. Our neighbors will complain if you don't turn off the music. Maghahanap siya ng ibang trabaho kapag hindi siya na-promote. He'll look for another job if he doesn't get a promotion. Magugutom ka mamaya kapag hindi ka nag-almusal. You'll be hungry later if you don't eat breakfast. Mababasa ka kapag hindi ka nagdala ng payong. You'll get wet if you don't take an umbrella. Pwede mong ibalik yan kapag hindi mo gusto. You can return it if you don't like it. Matututong ang pagkain kapag hindi mo pinatay ang oven. The food will burn if you don't turn off the oven. Mapapagod siya ng husto kapag hindi siya nagpahinga. He'll burn out if he doesn't take a break. Lalamig kapag hindi mo isinara ang bintana. It will get cold if you don't close the window. Makapagbabakasyon ka kapag nag-ipon ka ng pera. You can go on vacation if you save money. Bibili ako ng bagong motor kapag nanalo ako sa loto. I'll buy a new motorcycle if I win the lottery. Babagsak ka sa test kapag hindi ka nag-aral. You'll fail the test if you don't study. Masa-sunburn ka kapag hindi ka nag-sunscreen. You'll get sunburned if you don't wear sunscreen. Magdamag-tataho lang aso kapag hindi mo pinakain. The dog will bark all night if you don't feed it. Wala tayong kakainin kapag hindi ka nag-grocery. We won't have anything to eat if you don't buy groceries. Tataba ka kapag hindi ka tumigil sa kakakain ng chichirya. You'll gain weight if you don't stop eating junk food. Kapag tumawag siya, sabihin mo pupunta ako roon. If she calls, tell her I'll be there. Makakancel ang laro kapag umulan ng malakas. The game will be cancelled if it rains heavily. Delikadong magmaneho kapag mahamog. Driving will be dangerous if it's foggy. Matitiketan ka kapag hindi ka huminto sa red light. You'll get a ticket if you don't stop at the red light. Magsasayang ka ng tubig kapag hindi mo pinatay ang gripo. You'll waste water if you don't turn off the tap. Tatawagan kita kapag nahanap ko ang susi ko. I'll call you if I find my keys. Hindi ka makakapasok kapag hindi ka bumili ng tiket. You won't get in if you don't buy a ticket. Hindi kami pupunta kapag hindi nila kami iimbitahin. We won't go if they don't invite us. Sisipunin ka kapag hindi ka nagsuot ng pangginaw. You'll catch a cold if you don't wear a sweater. Magkakasakit ka kapag hindi ka naghugas ng kamay. You'll get sick if you don't wash your hands. Hindi siya papapasukin kapag hindi siya nagkorbata. He won't be allowed in if he doesn't wear a tie. Hindi ka mababayaran kapag hindi mo tinapos ang trabaho mo. You won't get paid if you don't finish your work. Susubukan ko ulit mamaya kapag hindi siya tumawag. I'll try again later if she doesn't call back. Tataba siya kapag hindi siya regular na mag-eehersisyo. He'll gain weight if he doesn't exercise regularly. Kahit sino pwedeng makapasok kapag hindi mo inilak ang pinto. Anyone can enter if you don't lock the door. Wala kang matututunan kapag hindi ka nag-aral. You won't learn anything if you don't study. Gagawa tayo ng snowman kapag nag-snow. We'll build a snowman if it snows. Hindi siya makakita ng maayos kapag walang suot na salamin. She can't see well if she doesn't wear glasses. Pupunta tayo sa dagat kapag maaraw bukas. We'll go to the beach if it's sunny tomorrow. Hindi ko siya patatawarin kapag hindi siya nagsorry. I won't forgive her if she doesn't apologize. Ako ang maghuhugas ng plato kapag siya ang magluluto. I'll do the dishes if she cooks dinner. Magsisisi ka sa huli kapag hindi mo inalagaan ang kalusugan mo. You'll regret it later if you don't take care of your health. Magsuot ka ng jacket kapag malamig. Wear wear a jacket if it's cold. Magpapalipad tayo ng saranggola kapag mahangin. We'll fly a kite if it's windy.